Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice yellow. Achieving that beautiful golden hue is simpler than you might think, and it largely comes down to one key ingredient: turmeric. This wonderful spice not only imparts a lovely color, but also offers a subtle earthy flavor. We'll discuss the ideal amount to use and when to incorporate it into your dish for the most vibrant results. Get ready to transform your fried rice. Timing is crucial when adding turmeric to your fried rice. For the most consistent and appealing yellow, it's best to incorporate the turmeric powder early on. After you've sautéed your aromatics, like minced garlic and ginger, sprinkle in the turmeric. Stir it into the hot oil for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This brief cooking step helps to bloom the spice, intensifying its color and flavor before the rice even enters the pan. While turmeric is our star for vibrant yellow, other ingredients can also contribute to the color. Saffron, though pricier, offers a beautiful golden hue and a distinct aroma. Just a few threads steeped in a tablespoon of warm water can be added. Curry powder, containing turmeric, also lends a yellow tint and a rich, savory depth. Additionally, incorporating whisked egg yolks into your rice can provide a natural, softer yellow color and extra richness. To achieve the best yellow fried rice, remember these final tips. Always use day-old, cold rice. This prevents stickiness and allows for individual grains. Cook in batches if necessary to avoid overcrowding your wok or pan, ensuring each grain gets properly colored and heated. Stir-fry over high heat, moving the rice constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes. This technique helps to dry out the rice and distribute the color beautifully, giving you perfect yellow fried rice every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.